Andy, I'm giving you this Emperor Slack Award because of the speed and alacrity with which you set up Slack space for the project management of student librarians during our healthy at home COVID-19 period. It was almost 2 months ago, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. A couple of days later, March 19th, Thursday, you came into the library. We were already practicing social distancing, so there was just another student librarian with you. And you were my first group of trainees. And so I presented that collaborative document and started with the story of the Kentucky Horse Librarians. During the Depression, as we were coming out of the Depression, as part of the New Deal, Roosevelt set up this project, which included women. I believe it was actually Eleanor Roosevelt's project. But anyway, women from Kentucky rode their horses into Eastern Appalachia and brought books and joy and comfort. And you gave me the language. You immediately said, we can reframe this period. And you got it. And it was so powerful for me, that affirmation that has helped me go on forward. So you truly are an emperor of various things, Andy. Thank you. Not just the technical expertise with which you created Slack for us, but then the emotional intelligence and the leadership in coming alongside me and supporting our work from home in so many different ways. You never failed to check in week after week. You kept doing the work, and you could have just backed off and taken it easy, and you didn't do that. So thank you so much. You have really kept my faith going forward. And I also want to mention about the Serenity Project. Thank you. You again gave me language. The library, the physical library, was a place that people connected. And you could see the power that we could use technology to connect people. That's what we've done with the internet. And that's what you've helped with Serenity Project. You are now recording these stories using StoryCorps app. Again, you have been able to take some of the ideas I had and make them reality. So thank you and blessings. You are going to be such a powerful blessing, Andy. And I thank you that God brought me into your life and you into mine, and we were able to do this. And so, Andy, I offer this blessing to you. Just like the pack horse librarians' horses splashed through iced over creeks and the librarians rode up into the Kentucky mountains, their saddlebags stuffed with books, doling out reading material to the isolated rural people, you, through those channels, Slack space channels, have empowered all of our student librarians and staff to reach our students and our learning communities. And that will never be forgotten. That will be archived in the Wayback Machine, and it will live forever. Your conversations recorded with people like Daniel and Sandra Moon and Becky Timmerding and Bobby Blitz will also be recorded in the Library of Congress's American Folklife Memory Collection. You have been a blessing, you are a blessing, and you will be a blessing. And so on this most special days for you, Andy, most special day, graduation day, I will read this blessing from the Bible for you. And I pray for it heartily and most warmly. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Blessings, Andy, and congratulations.